Hello everyone and welcome back to another HTML video. In this video we're going to be going over colors. Now this is more of a CSS than an HTML thing, but I want to introduce colors now so that we can use them later for the future videos like buttons and forms and things like that. So to start off, I have a couple h1 tags and we can change the color of that, but actually before I start with that, I want to start with the background of the website. So to do that, you go to body, to the beginning of the body, and that's where you type style, and that's the attribute, and you set the background color, and you can just choose whatever you want. I want to choose white smoke since it doesn't have that much of a difference. So you save that and it changed, but let me just show you that it worked because you can't really see. Red, save, so there you go. So let's save this instead. So white smoke, and then you go down to your h1 tags. You can do this for anything, paragraphs, h1 tags, h2 tags, whatever, any kind of text, right? So here you can set this to style again, and then not background color but color, and the first choice you have is using one of these colors, or you can type them out. So maybe you want blue, and save that, and as you can see it turned blue. Or you can use RGB values. So to do that, again, same thing, style equals, and then double quotes, and then RGB, and then parentheses, a pair of parentheses, sorry. So, and then with that, you just gotta put in the RGB values, and it's 3 numbers. You can choose a color picker for this. So here, say you want like this color. Sorry. You just copy this and you paste it right here, and you go back here and you save. Sorry, I forgot to put color, so you gotta put color and then RGB and save, and there you go. Same thing here, style. And the third choice you have, so first you can write the name, second you can do the RGB values, and third you can do the hexadecimal values, which you can see right here. It starts with a hashtag, and then let's say actually we want maybe this color. So you copy this and you paste it here after you color, and then save, and as you can see it works. So I like to use RGB values or hexadecimal values because you can kind of you have a lot more variety, right? You can choose the exact shade you want, and you can also play around with it if you're using Visual Studio Code, as I am right here. But if you're not, or if you're not sure, or you just want to get it immediately, you can just use a color picker online, like in Google, and you can actually change both the background and the color of the text. So to do that, let's say we want to change the background of this paragraph. So in the P tag you put style, and then with style background color, and then you can change it to, say, let's just say black, and then you have to put a semicolon, and after the semicolon again color, and you can choose whatever you want. Let's just choose this again, and there you go. So if you learned something new, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for future HTML videos.